Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. I live in Dubai and I'm in for a surprise. Yes, I got something from Souk.com. This has been my first purchase with them. I wanted to make a little unboxing video for you, and I'm sure you would have guessed what it is by now. I opened as soon as I received the package. Yes, it's the all new iPhone 7. I have got really good reviews of Souk.com in terms of the after sale services, but I don't want to use the after sale services because I want this phone to be the best ever phone I have used with no problem. I would like to show you the box. Just around the box. And it's 32 GB gold in color. Let us just open it. Yeah. And here you go. The glamorous, classy iPhone 7 gold. It looks very beautiful. I love it. Alhamdulillah, I have been able to get an iPhone 7 within the first month of its release. Here we go, the earpods and the new adapter, audio jack adapter, the small new charger, and the USB cable. Thank you for watching guys. Maybe in a few days I would be able to review the phone. Thank you very much.